Hey grammar gurus, welcome back. Today's quick tip is about using quotation marks. Quotation marks are used to show someone's exact words, a direct quote, or even a phrase you want to highlight. Here are a few examples. Direct speech. She said, I'll be there soon. Questions. He asked, what time is it? Quoting a phrase. My favorite quote is, believe in yourself. Notice how the punctuation, like commas or periods, goes inside the quotation marks. This is important to keep in mind. Additional tip: quotation marks can also be used for titles of short works like poems, articles, or songs. For instance, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or The Road Not Taken. Remember, use quotation marks to enclose direct speech, a quote, or a phrase you want to highlight. And remember, punctuation often goes inside the quotation marks. That's all for today. Like and follow for more grammar tips.